First of all, the easiest way is to grab an incubator. You can get a 12 egg incubator all the way to one that's like 1,500 eggs. And you can incubate your chicken eggs that way. You obtain them fresh. The next day is considered day one, and you would have them in the incubator for 21 days, turning them 3 to 4 times a day. Or if you have an automatic turner, it basically does the work for you. Another option for incubating eggs is to get yourself a broody hen, and basically you give her the eggs and she does the work for you. However, compared to an incubator where you just put the eggs in and it does the work, a hen has to get up to eat and drink. Therefore, the incubation time may be a little bit longer than 21 days. In that case, don't worry if it goes more than 23 days, because every time the hen gets up, the eggs get slightly chilled. Therefore, that will delay the incubation. Some hens will be very dedicated and sit right on that nest for all 21 days, but I highly discourage that because it can cause them to be nutrition deficient, and it could really put an effect on their body. If you notice that your hen is not getting up, encourage your hen to get up, eat, drink, get some exercise to avoid complications, to not be able to hatch out her eggs or possible death during incubation.